Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. So to start, close Instagram and go to settings. Now scroll down and go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and look for Instagram and open it. Now here, what we need to do is to click on offload app. So confirm the action. Now if you see reinstall app, just click on that and it will then reinstall to your phone. Now, once done, go ahead and open Instagram again. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Go to the three lines at the top right. Then scroll down to media quality. So it's under your app and media. So tap on media quality and make sure use less cellular data is turned off. So once you've done this, you can try opening an Instagram reel and you can check to see if it solves the black screen issue. Now, if it's not working, the final solution is to go to settings, go to general, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network settings. So enter your passcode, then confirm the action. Now, once done, go back to Instagram and see if that solves your problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.